Welcome to today's video. We are at Niagara Falls. These are the rapids. The falls are right over here, and I'm going to show them to you shortly. What were you saying?
So right here is the American Falls. That's 180 feet right to the bottom right here. Woo. Right there, that's Canada, Niagara Falls, Ontario.
Canada right over there.
Yep. As we go right here, you're going to feel the force of the water, the power start to go pretty fast.
Yeah, we got a rainbow over there. I know you can't feel it here, but the bass that you feel from that water dropping, it must be hitting in the bottom. The bass of that water, like you feel it in your chest. Absolutely remarkable. Can you believe people actually go over that in a barrel? I mean, my God. 7 out of 14 people who have tried it have lived. Seems like suicide to me. All right, so we're all gonna go back to the bikes, load up. We got about a 2-hour ride ahead of us. Headed to Harley-Davidson of Erie. Oh man, we got a problem here. What do we got?
I think the solenoid's shot.
I think the solenoid's bad on the air ride.
Air rides go out on you.
Yeah.
So it's just too low to ride?
I think so, yeah. I mean, I was gonna try it, but it just
won't go.
You know, I don't know if it's a solenoid or what, you know?
Dang it, man.
Yeah.
Air ride troubles. Well, we're gonna load up. I guess they're gonna try to find somewhere to get that thing fixed closer than the 2 hours we got to go to Erie. That's the trouble with the air ride. Air ride is such a cool feature, but boy, when it fails, it'll shut you down. They're a crucial part to the convoy, so hopefully they can get fixed and back with us soon. So I just learned something really cool. I got a Marine here with me on the ride today. Tell everybody what you told me. Today's your first?
Today is my very first group ride ever. It's a little nervous, but great mentors, feeling strong.
You're doing great, man, and you got the right bike for it. What bike are you on?
That's a 2016 Road Glide. Just picked it up. It's a great bike. Really loving it.
You know, this is not the easiest run to cut your teeth on, man.
I got legends. Legends here teaching me what to do.
You're killing me. At Erie Harley-Davidson here in Pennsylvania. Look at y'all, man. All right, bunch of proud Americans here set up. Hey, got my boy with me.
What's up?
Got my beautiful Mrs. Sandoval in the house.
Hey,
looking
baby.
good. Yellow's good on you, baby. That's your color.
It's gonna be a great day.
Right. So we got Steve here, and Steve has a very special gift for me. Explain to me what this is.
This is a Tuskegee Airman plaque from about my grandfather that was in the World War II. And I'm presenting it to Adam because you're the one that said go out and buy the damn bike. I went out and bought my first bike, got a derby cover for it. I got another bike and now presenting it to you as a gift.
So this was on your first bike?
Yes.
Too cool, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. That's a great gift. Rick has got an epic shirt on. It's one of my favorite, actually it's my favorite shirt I've ever designed. I happen to be rocking the same shirt today, but more importantly, Rick, what's in your hand there?
This is a check for $500 for the Wounded Warrior Project.
$500 donation, man. Round of applause for that, man. Woo! Thank you. So put it in the box. That's how it's done, brother. Thank you, man. All right, I'm standing here with Sam, and Sam is a patriot that knows how to raise some money for his veterans. Tell him what you did.
We had a company picnic, so I asked the boss if I could pass the hat around, and he said absolutely. So I said, will you match what the employees raise? And he said absolutely.
So we've got a check for what?
$636.
$636. 636 bucks going in the pot. What's happening, Scrappy? Oh, it's Scrappy. Oh, Scrappy boy. This isn't your first time on video, brother.
Sir, no.
But this is your first time doing this.
Yes, sir.
What do you got there?
We're donating. CBMA 196 is going to donate $1,200 to
$1,200, man. Thank you so much.
No problem.
It looks like we've got a pretty good haul here today.
It's beginning to look like it.
This could be one of our best donating dealerships. It's going to be very close. What do you think, Dalton? Do you think it's close?
I think it's really close.
You think it's going to be close? So we just got the total
$313.
Woo! That's a big donation and done by such an amazing team putting on such a great event. Harley-Davidson of Erie. Thank you guys so much. Y'all are awesome. This is their team. If you guys come visit their dealership, you come say hi to one of these fine people because they worked hard to help us raise this money for our veterans today, man. Thank you guys so much.
Thanks, Aaron.
Yeah. And that makes them our #2 highest raised stop. That's pretty good. First gas stop since Erie Harley-Davidson, and look who's back.
By Canada.
How's it going, man? So what was it? Tell everybody what it was.
Relay on the air ride.
$15 parts?
$15 part. Took them about an hour and 10 minutes, and then had to ride through the rain for about an hour to get here.
Well, it ain't raining now. My boy Dave is back from Canada, and you're on a new bike. What are you on here?
99 Ultra Classic, low mileage, pretty sweet little ride.
That is a super, super sexy ride. I love the pinstriping, that tan and burgundy.
Yeah, it's all bags too, right? So it's a little cool.
Well, yeah, got some air. She's fancy. I like her. She's classic. Another Pan Am on the ride. We haven't been getting too many of those, but we've seen a couple. It's a good day to be on the convoy. All right, y'all, we have made it to Western Reserve Harley-Davidson. We're going to try to raise some more money, top out that over $8,000 day we just had this morning. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited to see what we do by day's end today. It could be our biggest day yet. Like 12,500 is our biggest day. Maybe today we break that record. It would not be a day on the convoy if it didn't start to rain. Look at that pan. Ooh, I'd love to have one of them. What'd you just take off that bike? You're gonna let me sit on it?
Yeah, you can sit on it. Go
Oh
ahead.
my God. Oh yeah. I just learned what my next bike's gonna be.
From what I know, from what the guys have said, it's very hard to drive.
Heck yeah. I need it. It's so authentic. It has a secret compartment from the movie. There it is. Oh yeah, baby. That is 100% the real deal. Oh, you even got an old knuckle. That's really my favorite, the knuckle. Now, I'm not familiar with this model. The Harley-Davidson, it says, but then it says Sprint. That is a new one. I'm not familiar with this. How many of you guys out there can tell me a story on this? Let me know down in the comments below, because that one I'm not familiar with. I just found out the dealership added $1,000 to the total today. The rain kind of broke us up a little bit, so we only raised 1,000 with the audience, but the dealership putting in 1,000 got us just over $2,000 here at the stop today. All right, y'all, that is a wrap here, and we're gonna head back to the hotel. I'm gonna spend a little family time. We'll probably grab some grub, and I will check in with y'all in tomorrow's video. Give them the old close.
Dream until your dreams come true.
That is a good one, but I was talking about the old life short. By the dam. Would it be a day on the convoy if I didn't have to ride a little rain?